Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off the camera mirroring on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if you have noticed that the selfie camera is mirroring or reflecting the photo it captures, for an example, I will capture this photo. And as you can see, it has mirrored the photo from left to right. And if you want to disable this feature, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then tap on camera. And from here, you will find the option of mirror front camera. Now, if you enable this option, you will stop the selfie camera from mirroring your selfies. Now, if we go back to the home screen and if we open the camera app, and if we capture a photo one more time, as you can see this time, the selfie camera has not reflected the photo it has captured. It has captured the photo as it appeared in the preview. And if you do not like this feature and if you want to turn off this feature, just go back to the camera settings in the settings app and disable mirror front camera. And after you do that, the selfie camera will flip the photo as it appears in the preview. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off camera mirroring on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.